Our purpose was first of all to do an assessment regarding to the realizations of the activities during the year 2017, which assessment revealed that the score is good. We have really met the achievement, and we have really reached the targets and the results which have been projected to be done. Secondly, it was an opportunity to inform them about the review of our constitution and the preparation of the referendum, which is ongoing during these days. We have been able to touch all the points that have been object of amendment in the current constitution, to take through the police officers, the motivations, major motivations which led the government of Burundi to propose that amendment, and the advantages of those amendments. So this is a task which is recommended by the government of Burundi, that all ministers communicate to all those personnel which are relevant to the respective ministries, the amendment which have been made to the constitution. After that, we talked about the contribution to the general elections of 2020, which really have been already organized in the Ministry of Public Security. We agreed to really collect contribution for the election of 2020. This time was to go through the regulations according to the ministerial ordinance from the Minister in charge of Interior and Finance, and this is really for police officers a good opportunity to show once again their abnegation. We agreed to organize the collection of collect that contribution according to the regulation which have been really made by the government of Burundi. Lastly, we talked about protection of the environment, so that police officers through subdivisions, unities under their commandment, they can be really aware of degradation of the environment in Burundi, so that they can protect and ensure that there is no act of violation of the law according to the protection of the environment in Burundi. We got also the opportunity to talk about really the improvement and the enforcement of discipline, enforcement to give value to our culture,